As you all know, Bangladesh is graduating from LDC status in 2026, and in this journey, Bangladesh needs to be known to the world not only as a developing country but also as a promising country for the next generations. EXPO 2027 is going to give us a global platform where we can demonstrate our ability, demonstrate our innovations, demonstrate our progress through a playful approach. So I think EXPO 2027 is going to not only benefit the Bangladesh but also benefit all the citizens of Bangladesh. Bangladesh usually participate all the BIE expositions. In recent times, Bangladesh participated Dubai Expo, and now in Osaka, Bangladesh is there with its own pavilion. So from the EXPO 2027, Bangladesh is going to achieve a new nomenclature in the global platform, because in recent times, it is the youth has taken over the Bangladesh to a new height, and I believe this platform again going to introduce Bangladesh with its new dimension. And as a visitor, we expect new innovations, new technologies through a playful approach, and the world is for playing fair, playing for the benefits of the citizens, playing for the benefit of the humanity. Let's play together for a better world.